Hey there, Workshop Whisperer fans. It's Rachel Sheldrick here, and I help auto repair shop owners to achieve business success. Today, I just wanted to touch on the difference between markup and margins. I've seen a number of conversations lately in some of my groups where people are using the terms interchangeably, potentially getting the meanings confused and possibly thinking that you're doing better than you are when it comes to margin, because you've got some confusion around what things mean. So in basic terms, markup is the amount that we increase the price by to derive the selling price. So if we mark something up from $50 to $100, then we have a 100% markup. The margin, on the other hand, is effectively the gross profit. So what we're taking into account is the difference between the cost price and the selling price. So make sure that you know which one is which, and if you're talking about markup, you're simply talking about the percentage difference or the dollar difference between the cost price and the sell price. If you're talking about margin, you're looking at the gross profit made on the job. So you're looking at where you've taken the cost of goods sold out of the figure that you're looking at. So they're two different things. Make sure that when you're using both terms, you're applying them in the correct way. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out. And if you haven't already, be sure to join my free Facebook group, Under the Hood with Rachel Sheldrick, where we're having discussions about things like markup and margin every day. See you there soon.